Charging your Z-Track. That's what we're going to do. This is your Z-Track. It's the nighttime wearable from SOLTEC. It has a micro USB port at the top, and it has a little light in the bottom dot of the logo. That blue light will flash to let you know that you're charging. You're going to want to charge using any standard wall charging block. Do not charge this into your computer or any other device other than the standard charging blocks. Let it run on the charger for at least an hour. If the battery is over 90% charged on your Z-Track, the blue light will turn off. You can check the SOLTEC Z app to see the battery status and settings. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more information on the SOLTEC health system, or if you'd like to learn more about better sleep, deep relaxation, stress relief, and what the SOLTEC health system can do for you, please like and subscribe.